Hello and welcome. We're so glad you're here.
Hi, today we will learn how to talk about yourself in English. We'll use clear, simple language and friendly examples.
That's right. We're going to share easy phrases for beginners so you can feel confident introducing yourself.
Introducing yourself means telling someone your name, age, where you're from, your job or studies, and maybe a hobby or two. It's like telling a new friend a little about you.
Let's start with names. When you meet someone, you can say, "My name is," or "I'm."
For example, you can say, I'm Maria Gonzalez, or my name is Maria Gonzalez.
Yes, and you can follow with, "Nice to meet you." It's polite.
Next, age. You can say, I am blank years old. For example, I am 20 years old.
In English, we don't say "I have 20 years." Instead, we say "I am 20 years old." Beginners often say it wrong, but that example is a common mistake.
Now, where you're from or your nationality. You can say, I'm from country or I'm nationality.
Right. For example, "I'm Spanish" or "I'm from Spain," as Cambridge Dictionary shows.
Or you can give a city. For example, I'm from Valencia in Spain. This is optional if you want to share more.
If you live in a different place now, you could say, "I was born in blank, but I live in blank now." But as beginners, just saying your country or city is fine.
Good point. The important thing is to use the simple forms. Don't worry if you don't say everything. Next, your job or what you do. You can say, I am a blank.
For example, "I'm a teacher" or "I'm a student." You can also say, "I work as a teacher" or "I study computer science." These give people an idea of what you do.
If you have a simple job, you can say, I work in a restaurant or I'm a nurse. If you study, say, I'm a student.
Now, hobbies or interests. You can say what you like to do in your free time.
For example, in my free time, I like playing soccer, or simply, I like playing soccer.
Or "I like reading books" or "I like music." These phrases are very useful.
Let's see a short example conversation. We'll go slowly.
Hello, I'm Alex. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Mexico. I'm a student. I like hiking and soccer. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex. I'm Emily. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Canada. I am a teacher. In my free time, I like painting. Nice to meet you too.
See, that's how we can introduce ourselves step by step. We start with name, then age, then country, job, and hobbies.
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make. This will help you avoid confusion.
One mistake is giving too much information at once. For example, don't try to tell your whole life story in one introduction. Too many details can confuse the listener. Just pick 1 or 2 points from each category and save the rest for later conversation.
Another common error is mixing verb tenses in one sentence. Sometimes when people are nervous, they jump between past, present, and future tenses. This can be confusing. Try to use present tense for now, like I work as a teacher, and past tense for something you finished, like I studied biology. Keeping it consistent makes your speech clearer.
Also, remember to use am, is, are. For example, always say "I am a student" instead of "I student." This little verb is important.
Yes, and for age, remember what we said. Don't say I have 30 years. Say I am 30 years old. This is a classic beginner mistake.
Now, let's talk about confidence. It's normal to feel nervous speaking English, but we have tips to help you feel better.
First, practice out loud. Even if you're alone, try reading your introduction sentences in front of a mirror or to a friend. Reading out loud helps you practice pronunciation and fluency.
You can also practice in a small, friendly setting. For example, find a conversation partner or join a small English class. Speaking in a small group or with a tutor can be more comfortable and will help you relax.
If you like games, some people play multiplayer online games where they have to talk to teammates. This can be fun practice too. Or join a speaking club or language exchange online. The more you speak, the more confident you get.
Also, it's okay to pause and breathe. If you feel stuck, take a moment. Think of what you want to say. Most people listening want you to succeed and will be patient.
Yes, practice your introduction until you feel comfortable with it. Take deep breaths and don't rush. Remember that making mistakes is normal and part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something, so keep going. To sum up, we hope you now have simple phrases to introduce yourself: name, age, nationality, job, and hobbies.
And remember the tips. Speak slowly, don't overload details, and practice as much as you can.
You are doing great by listening and trying. Keep practicing these sentences and soon you'll speak more confidently.
Thank you for joining us today. We wish you good luck with your introductions.
Goodbye and happy learning.